Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my living room. In this video I have for you a unscripted unboxing. I just got in my order in this huge box, and since probably a lot of people right now are working from home and not commuting to the work and not eating out, they must provide for themselves, and I usually do cook for myself, and I get a few items for my kitchen. So this will be pottery or ceramics. If you are not interested to seeing bowls for food, then probably this video is not for you. And I might say this is not a traditional format, and also not that type of items that I usually show on my channel, but let's see together what we have in the box. So there are 3 boxes. Okay, let me switch perspectives. Okay, so I hope everything is nicely in frame as much as possible. So let us see. So this box was open. A huge of packaging materials. That is good to see that the bowl is certainly breakable. It's good they have protected it really nicely. So we have Japanese papers. Okay, so this is the large, so this should be 20 centimeters. This is a ramen bowl. I don't know the brand, there was only made in Japan, and this is the Earth and Sky series. Nice blue tones. So this was the large one. And then is the second box. A ton of packaging material. This is also nice and packed in original Japanese newspaper. Okay. This one has also a paper. And this is a mid-size. This is for udon noodles. And the third one is closed. So let's see the box. So no information whatsoever. This should be a small bowl. Mainly for salads or some additional items you want to include. And since this one is from another series, from the Earth Green series, because they didn't had the companion piece in the Sky and Earth, This one has no stamp. Okay, so this was just a quick unboxing of my 3 new bowls for my noodles and different culinary creations. If you are interested to see some pictures, I usually post some of them on my Instagram, so if you like you can go and check them out, but just something else to to show here my channel. So this was the ramen, udon, and the small bowl from made in Japan. Let's call it made in Japan product. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. And if you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, since I'm primarily a knife oriented channel, but sometimes also another stuff, also like this one. Or if you are interested in Warhammer, then I have something about that topic also. Check out my playlists. So I try to keep sorted everything nice and neat, so you have quick access to my content. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.